In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage an Instagram account. So you're going to want to open the Instagram app first. So that's down here. And then I already have one. That's why there's one there. But in this case, you're going to want to hit create new account. And then you need to decide basically whether you want to use your phone number or your email. I'm just going to use an old email. So you're going to want to hit sign up with email. And then you're going to want to type that in. So. And then once you type in the exact, like what you want, you're gonna hit next. Then you're gonna have to go get the verification code. So it'll send you the confirmation code to whichever email or phone number you used if you wanted to use the phone number. So sit there. Yep, it's 560421. So you're gonna want to type that in and hit next. And then you're gonna want to create a password. So you will want only you to be able to get into it, so don't make it easily guessable. And you don't want like targeted by anybody, like hackers or anything like that. So since this isn't my account, I just typed in something random. But and then it'll ask for your birthday to make sure you use it old enough to actually use it. So put that in. We'll be truthful with that one. And make sure that's correct. You're gonna want to hit next. And then it's gonna ask you for your name, so like friends and stuff can find you or family. But I'm just gonna write test because this is a test. And then so it's gonna ask to make a username. It already make one for you based off of the email that you put in, but you can change it really to anything that isn't like taken, obviously. So I'm just gonna use tutorial. I'm probably gonna have to put a bunch of numbers afterward. Yep. So then after this, you're gonna hit next. It's gonna ask you about the terms and conditions. So you should read them. In this case, we're not gonna read them, but you should read them and then hit agree. Okay, so now that you're actually into your account, it's just going to give you a bunch of like recommended stuff to look at, like recommended accounts to follow, stuff like that. So you're going to go to the bottom right corner where it shows your account, and this is your account. So see, it says edit your username, personalize your username by editing tutorial to help friends and find you. You're going to X that out. But yeah, so if you want to add like a profile picture, you're going to tap that icon there, hit add profile picture. And then wherever you want to choose it from, or you can also create an avatar. Um, you can add pronouns if you want to, bio, your bio. You can add links, you can add your website if you want a website, banners, music, you can add your gender, you can make it a professional account. So we're going to do that here. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to do that and you can choose whichever kind of account you want. There's artist, musician, we'll go blogger in this case. And hit display on profile so they'll know. Then what type of professional are you? We'll say creator for this. Hit OK. I'm going to hit not now on shared logins. So there's 8 steps you can complete. You don't have to complete all these. Complete your profile. So that's just like adding your bio and everything. Introducing yourself, this making a post. Um, yeah, so this is just like professional accounts. So, but yeah, so if you want to make a post, you're gonna hit the plus sign at the bottom, and then you'll have all that there.